The 3 money habits that are keeping you poor. Well, firstly, what we end up doing often is spending money to really fit in with a lifestyle, to impress a certain type of person who really doesn't care. So too often people are spending money on things they can't afford to impress people that don't care, only to feel like they're going to fit in. And whether that's designer clothes, whether that's a certain trend, that's something that's happening, whether that's eating in certain places, often it is really about trying to impress other people. And for most people, if they lost their earnings, they probably couldn't survive 2 or 3 months on their savings because their savings are so little. So the first thing is not really worry about what other people are doing and focusing on what's important for you and not trying to impress other people. The second habit is, if you're running a business, for example, people are constantly conscious of cutting down on their expenditure, whether that's trying to reduce overall how much they're trying to spend, rather than having the mindset of abundance and thinking, okay, how can we create more? How can we generate more? So bringing in more income rather than constantly trying to cut on the bottom line. Now, don't get me wrong, it is important to make sure we're not wasting money within a business and we're reviewing those expenses on a regular basis. And this thing will apply in your personal life as well. But we should be focused on how can we create more money and way more money, rather than sometimes people playing the small game. For example, they've got a business and they deliberately don't want to generate more than £90,000 a year because they don't want to fall into the threshold of being able to register for VAT. And you think, why are you worried about the tax? Smash how much you're earning. So that isn't an issue. It's not really a concern. The expenses aren't a concern. So it's having an abundant mindset where we're thinking about how can we create more rather than how can we cut down on our expenses and trying to hold on to things in that way. The third habit is to invest in yourself. And that's just not financial investment, that's education investment. The most valuable thing you have is between your 2 ears. And by investing in that and investing in yourself, but understanding money, understanding business, understanding finance, what it means is you'll be in a much better position to really expand your financial growth, but also not to have this poor mindset that I can't or can't afford to do this, I shouldn't be doing that, because you understand how to make money. And the reality is it's money that makes money. So it's not even a case of how do you work harder to earn more money, it's how do you get your money to work for you rather than you working for money. Hey, if you're enjoying these short videos that we're doing called Saj Dailies, then make sure you also check out our longer form content that we have on the channel. There's probably about 300 videos that are on the channel that we've uploaded over the last few years, and there's a lot more content uploaded regularly. And if you're enjoying it, then make sure you click on that like button. Also subscribe to the channel, but more importantly, leave me a comment. Let me know what it is about these videos you're particularly enjoying and particularly liking. And once you've done that, make sure you click on this video and I'll see you over here next.